Pollution is all around us, affecting our health and lives. Live and feel better with Sharp Plasmacluster. Plasmacluster's positive and negative ions deactivate pollutants before returning to the air as water, living homes with clean, fresh air. It removes odors and restricts the growth of mold, while inhibiting airborne viruses and bacteria. Keep your loved ones safe and healthy. Sharp Plasmacluster, recreating pure air found in nature with over 80 million devices. Plasmacluster only from Sharp.